What's up everyone, I'm your friend APS and today I'm really excited as I will tell you everything about my college MNIT Jaipur. So let's get started. Talking about the overview, it's an old NIT built in 1963 in Jaipur with a lush green campus of 312 acres which is nearly equal to the campus of IIT Delhi. It is located in the midst of Jaipur city with airports and railway station just 3 kilometers away, shopping complexes and restaurants just outside the campus. So you can enjoy hanging out pretty much. The NIRF ranking of this institute is 53. But according to the potential and facilities this college provides, I think it should be in the top NITs in India. In order to get into this college, you need to give JEE Mains exam, and if your rank is under 34,000, then you can get entry into this college. But if you want to get a good branch, then at least 15,000 rank is necessary. Now, hostels and food. It has 9 boys hostels, most of them are made of bricks and it seems like a fort, but one hostel seems like this. There is also one hostel named Ganga where IIIT Kota and NIT UK students live and their classes take place somewhere in the campus. In first year you get a triple seater room, but from second year you will get your own room. There are only fans in the rooms with no AC, no cooler. The mess food is fresh but I do not like the taste of it. So our only option is Swiggy and canteen. Although the Aurobindo hostel food is really good. The infrastructure of this college is good. Some of the other construction works keep on happening here. But some of the buildings are really old, up to 50 years old. So few buildings are really modern and many of them are very old. Our lectures takes place at Vivekanand Lecture Theatre Complex, which is the largest lecture complex in Asia. Now, fests. Fests are an integral part of a college. These are the days when everyone forgets about everything and just cherish the 3 days of their life. There are many fests, from Technical Fest Springs in November to Cultural Fest Blitzschlag in February, Department Days, Scholars Cup and many other small events keep on happening throughout the year. So you can enjoy and grow yourself by taking part in them. This college has clubs like Alumni Club, ED Cell, Zion Robotics, Energy Club, NSS and up to 20 clubs dedicated to different domains. So you can take part in them if you wish. There are auditions and interviews to get into those clubs. Every week or two some personality successful in their domain comes to visit our college and give seminars, workshops and speeches which are really helpful and increases our exposure. Talking about academics, no, I should not talk about academics because academics are the same as every other NIT and IIT, so expect nothing different about academics. Talking about sports facilities, this college provides several sports facilities like football, cricket, volleyball, badminton, table tennis, chess, gym, but there is no trainer in the gym. They have their respective teams and they practice every day. So if you join them, you will definitely nurture your sportsman spirit. Although they require proper equipments for the particular sports, like in football they require football boots, shorts, t-shirts, etc. And for badminton shoes and a badminton, of course. Now the best thing I liked about this college is the alumni network which this college holds. There are many famous alumni of this college. Great people have came out of this college. Like talking about few of the alumni, like Anil Agarwal, the chairman of Vedanta Group, Thomas Abraham, and many IAS, IES and army officers, entrepreneurs and managers came from this college. So the benefit of a great alumni network is that you can get internship very easily. So it gives a confidence that great people have came out of this college, so you can be the next one. Now I will talk briefly about the packages and companies which arrive in this college. Few companies like Amazon, B. Shaw, Goldman Sachs, Nokia, Akash Allen Resonance and up to 100 companies come in this college. Talking about the packages of this college, then the highest package was 40 lakh and the average package for computer science is nearly 13 lakhs, for EC about 10 lakh, for electrical up to 8 or 9 lakh, and mechanical same. Another thing which you will like about this college is the company of talented people. You will be surrounded by talented and hardworking people. You will find every sort of person in a college, not only this college but every college. There will be a person who is a nerd, then there will be a person who is really fun. If there is a person who is good at speaking, dancing and singing, then there is other person who is good at gaming, sports and casting jokes. So you will definitely learn very much from the people around you, from a college, not this college. I mean most of the college. So it went little philosophical, but now no college is perfect in every sense. Every college has some of the cons and some of the pros. So this college also has some of the cons which I do not like. The fees of this college is really high. It is approximately 2.5 lakhs per year for a general student without any scholarship. Almost 10 lakh for 4 years of BTech. Although there are many scholarships according to the caste, the state and the economic level you have. The internet facility of this college is not good. Most of the hostels do not provide good internet connection. It is a really big problem because without internet it becomes hard to survive. Also due to the mountain behind our hostel, no SIM card provide good internet facility. Although we have a computer center which provides really good internet facility, but it is really far away from our hostel, so it is a pain. Now small disadvantages which I should not call it as cons, but I should tell them. The dispensary of this college is not good. You should not rely on it, but you should rely on the hospitals outside the campus. The library of this college do not contain latest books. There are only old books. One important thing is that there is no branch change after first year in this college. If you want to change a branch, you can only change it if someone is ready to swap his branch from your branch. By getting a 9.5 CG, you cannot change your branch. So thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and comment and stay tuned.